Hey, what's up, guys? What's up? Welcome again to Make Money More channel. So, if you're new to this channel, welcome to the family. So, on this channel is basically like I'm sharing like a side hustle, guys, where you can earn money, online and scale your income stream and stuff. So, on today's video, I would like to share to you guys another website survey site. This is a high paying site I've never seen, guys. So as you can see now, I'm on this website. So this website is partnered with IBM, Microsoft, SendGride, GoDaddy, Dropbox and stuff and Intuit. So as you can scroll down here, so as you can see here, and money by participating in research studies, guys. So to get started, guys, you can click here, click on participant. You want to earn money. Yeah. So you're gonna fill up your details here, and then after that you can create an account, just like that, guys. So me, I do have an account here, so I'm a participant. So I'm gonna enter my email here, my password. So now I'm on the dashboard, guys. So as you can see, this is uh the surface, guys. You know, see it's $15, $25, you know, $40, guys. So this says seeking users of pay antivirus India. So if you're living in India, you can participate, on this one. And yeah, guys. So as you can see, you can to sign up to National Bank of Egypt. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna click on here, and then we're gonna start the screening and stuff. And then after that, yeah, you can participate, and after that you can get paid. As you can see, me, I done this. So there's three screeners left in me and stuff. So So yeah, guys. So this is a website. Guys, I'll leave a link. You know, on the description, guys. Make sure you check it out. So yeah, guys. Thank you for watching. Other than that, guys, I'll see you on the next video. Thank you.